Yes, the students of class 6, we have this list for you, some common sentences which you can speak in your class with your teacher and with your fellow students. Okay, so you are to learn all these sentences within your vacations. There is a list of 115 sentences. Even if you do 5 sentences daily, you can easily learn them within your this 30 days vacations. So daily you can do 5 sentences you can learn. There is also on the right hand side I have given the sentence in Hindi and the translation is on the left side. So I will go one by one on each sentence and you listen it properly, you listen the accent, how the speaker is speaking and try to speak in the similar way. Okay, you just listen. I'm starting.
My name is.
You have to tell your name like this.
I am years old.
जितने भी आप साल के हो, you can tell I am 10 years old or 15 years old, whatever.
I live in Colony, Karnal. My father's name is Mr. I have brother and sister.
How many brothers you have? One brother, one sister, or one brother and no sister. Like this, you can learn 5 sentences. जैसे आपके हो गए तो daily you have to do 5 sentences daily or more, whatever you can.
I study in class. The name of my school is VUMM Jain Public School. I live in a big house. There are rooms in my house.
There are 3 rooms, there are 2 rooms, there is 1 room. Like this you have to tell about you. This is self introductory sentences. You're telling about yourself to somebody in the school.
I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I go to school by the school bus. I reach school at 7:30 a.m.
You have to say 7:30 a.m.
The name of our principal is Ms. Tanuja. The name of our class teacher is. Today is Monday. Just a minute. That's right. May I come in, ma'am? May I go out for drinking water? May I go out to use washroom? May I sharpen my pen?
Many of these sentences you already know. Some of these sentences are new for you. Okay, just learn them.
Make a straight line. Don't run around. Let us leave. Just look outside. Don't nag. Don't bother me. Don't follow me. Is everything okay? What do you mean? Don't
You may
stop.
have to see it several times if its speed is little more.
I want to say something. Please listen to me.
जितनी बार आप इसको देखोगे you will learn something.
What is he doing? Don't scuffle. Please help me out. I need to pee. Swear by me. You will get well soon. It's your turn. Do you have this? Don't disappoint me. This is what I wanted. How did you do it? Forget this matter. I have to go to school. I know you very well. My father is calling me. He is well-mannered. He is ill-mannered.
He is he is ill-mannered. Like this you are tell about your fellow students, to your teacher, to your parents.
How
Okay.
do you know? What do I do? What is day today? Which period is this? Who is the teacher?
So while after your vacations you come to your school, you are expected to speak in the similar way.
Let us go to playground. I am sorry I'm late. Can I change my seat? The bell is ringing. Please raise your hand. Mend your ways. Improve your habits. Don't hesitate. Don't feel shy. Never do it again. Did friend come? Has the principal come? Why are you late today? The principal is very strict. Go to sick room and take rest. Don't lose your temper. Don't shout at me. Focus on your work. How is weather now? Is it still raining?
Some of these sentences you can speak even
No,
at your home.
it has stopped
You can
now.
practice them. इनकी practice
You
करो
can carry umbrella.
in front of your parents, with your brothers, sisters.
Search every nook and corner. May I answer this question, ma'am? Will you please repeat, ma'am? Don't doubt on me. Have faith in God. I am grateful to God. Have you come here by bus or auto? Don't worry about me. How do we pronounce the word?
If you are to ask your teacher how to pronounce a word, any word. You will add this. How do we pronounce the word and entrepreneur, like this, which you cannot pronounce.
How do we spell?
You can ask how we spell, what is the spelling of this particular word. You can ask like this.
Excuse me. Can I talk to you for a minute? Excuse me, teacher, I don't have my pen. May I borrow from my friend? Is tomorrow a holiday? Did you listen to me? When did you arrive here? How is your health now? Did you consult any doc? There is nothing to worry. What a fool you are. Our class teacher is friendly to us. Tomorrow is Saturday. We should go inside the classroom. I can't see the board. Can you step aside, please? Please give me change. Why are you upset? Don't taunt. I kept Do you have cycle, scooter? Would you please give us an example? Could you please explain little more? I didn't understand today's lesson. Ma'am, may I open the window, please? May I switch on the fan? I swear by God. I'm proud of you. Let me also give chance to speak. Don't panic. What does UK stand for?
So this is the whole 115 sentences. I hope you will remember all these sentences after you come to your school after the vacations. Okay, thank you, students.